Is your agile transformation falling short of expectations? Again? You're not alone. Many CEOs launch agile initiatives with the best intentions, only to watch momentum fizzle. In this video, I'll break down why that happens and how to fix it, even if you've already tried and failed before. Hi, I'm Rosales, an agile strategist with over 20 years experience helping executives lead transformation across complex enterprise environments. What I've learned is this: Agile doesn't fail because of bad teams. It fails when leadership underestimate what real change requires. If you are a CEO or senior leader wondering why your Agile investment isn't producing results, this video is for you. Yes, for you. Let's talk strategy, not ceremony. Why most Agile transformations fail. Here's what the postmortem usually reveals. The breakdown didn't start at the Scrum team level. It started in the boardroom. Yes, in the boardroom. Top 3 reasons Agile fails at the leadership level. Number 1, command and control habits persist. Yes, it persists. Agile requires empowered teams. Many execs say it, few model it, unfortunately. Number 2, Agile is treated as a tactic, not a strategy. Tool adoption is not equal to mindset shift. Number 3, lack of executive feedback loops. Agile thrives on iteration. Most executive teams don't apply that principle to their own leadership practices. The executive fix that works. Step 1 is a 3-step process. Step 1, rebuild trust through transparency. Your teams can't deliver agility in an environment of fear of silence. Model open communication. What you can say, we're not here to assign blame. We're here to fix what's broken. Step 2, make data your common language. Yes, data, your common language. Use agile metrics to align the boardroom with the delivery floor. Lead time, velocity trends, throughput. Layer in AI-driven insights for sentiment analysis and delivery risk detection. Step 3, invest in leadership coaching, not just team training. Again, invest in leadership coaching, not just team training. Your VPs and directors are the real leverage points. If they don't change, nothing else will. We need to build executive agility first. The rest follows. CEOs and leaders, are you frustrated with agile transformation that promise big but fail to deliver? You're not alone. But here's the truth: success isn't about doing more, it's about doing it right. And I've created something that can change the game for you. I'm Ariestides, an agile strategist with over 20 years of experience guiding Fortune 500 companies through complex transformation. I've seen firsthand what separates the winners from the rest. It's a strategic approach that aligns execution with your business vision while staying ahead of the curve with AI driven innovation. To help you achieve this, I've crafted the CEO's Playbook for Agile Success: Strategies for Thriving Transformation. This isn't your typical fluff-filled ebook. It's a practical, actionable guide that Fortune 500 leaders have used to unlock measurable results. And today, I'm giving it to you absolutely free. Inside this playbook, you'll discover 3 things: proven frameworks for aligning strategy and execution. That's the first one. Number 2, powerful insights to turn agile into a competitive advantage. And number 3, cutting edge techniques to leverage AI and innovation in your organization. This is your opportunity to shift from struggling with agile to thriving with agile. Whether you're starting out or refining your approach, this playbook is designed to work for you. Here's how you get it. Visit arisrosales.com in the link below, subscribe to my exclusive newsletter, and download of your free copy of the CEO's Playbook for Agile Success instantly. It's that simple. And your future self and your business will thank you for it. Don't wait for your competitors to gain the edge. The strategies in this playbook are being implemented by some of the most successful leaders today. This is your chance to access them for free. But I can promise you this offer will last forever. Success this year belongs to those who act boldly and strategically. The road to your agile transformation starts here. Go to ariesrosales.com start and subscribe now and to claim your free playbook. Let's build the future of your business together. What most leadership teams get wrong? There's two major things. Number one, they skip the executive retrospective. Yes, there's an executive retrospective. Most executives ask teams to reflect and improve, but don't hold themselves to the same standard, unfortunately. Second, they blame the framework instead of their behavior. Yes, blame the framework, not your behavior. Too bad. We tried Agile is often code for we never really change. Tip, start with a quarterly leadership retrospective. Keep it short, focused, and brutally honest. How to reignite Agile momentum even if you failed before. There's three major points here. Number one, own the narrative of failure. Transparency from the top is the fastest way to earn trust back. Number two, treat Agile as an enterprise capability. It's not IT's job to be agile. This is so funny. People blame IT to be agile. It's everyone's job. Finance, HR, ops, risk management, it's everyone's job. Number three, use automation to accelerate flow, not control it. Intelligent automation, guided by data, can eliminate bottlenecks and give teams more room to deliver real value. Bonus 6. Run this 15-minute executive retrospective. This is the bonus tip. Again, run this 15-minute executive retrospective. Try this with your leadership team. There's three major items here. Number one, what's one thing we've done that helped our teams work better? Number two, what's one decision or behavior that got in their way? Number three, what's one leadership habit we need to retire? It's simple but powerful move that models the behavior you want everyone else. You want this from everyone else. Recap and call to action. There's four major items. Number one, agile transformations fail when executives underestimate the cultural shift required. Number two, reset trust. Align with data and lead by example. Number three, treat Agile as a strategic lever, not a team-level experiment. Number four, use automation and AI to enable, not micromanage. Drop a comment below. What's been your biggest challenge with Agile at the leadership level? And what's worked for you so far? If you got value in this video, tap the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications. I've got more executive-focused content on Agile, AI, and digital transformation along the way. And if you missed it, check out my last video, Microsoft AI 900 Certification Review for Agile Teams. Is it worth it? It's the perfect complement for any executive building future-ready teams. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.